Today at the We Rent shop, I'm going to show you how I rebuilt the oil pump in the BMW E34 M5 restoration project. After disassembling the housing, you can see these striations on the outer rotor surface and the pits on the inner rotor, so these components will have to be replaced for sure. The housing also shows signs of typical wear-in on the bore in the face, which we can correct. I measured the housing to rotor clearance with my dial bore gauge. The calibration point is the diameter of the new outer rotor, so what you're seeing is a clearance between the two. I sanded out the striations in the bore and housing with 400 grit sandpaper. After media blasting the part, I went back over the wear surfaces with 1000 grit to produce a smooth finish. Next, I polished up the control piston bore and the shaft housing and remeasured. 2 8/10 is what the bore measures to after performing the necessary corrections. Standard body clearance of a G-rotor pump can be between 2 and 6 thousandths, so taking 5/10 off won't keep me up at night. After verifying the correct rotor side clearance, I used assembly lube to reassemble the components. First the rotors, then the pressure control piston and spring. And so I mated the rebuilt front housing with the new rear housing, torqued the bolts, and it's ready to go.